I'm a street photographer. Can I click a photo? Normal day. I ride like I usually ride with my clutch engaged. Okay, we've got something new today with this warm-up. I need to get my bike washed. It looks clean from here, but as you go down, look at that. The amount of dirt. It is extremely dirty right now. I need to get it washed. Hey, another day and another idiot and another ride as well. Okay, finally a dry day after ages. Let's take a detour. How come is it less crowded today? Today is a day of detours. Since there is no traffic, I thought I'll just explore the place. What the f was that pop, dude? Today I'm headed out for work, but I'm also celebrating Independence Day. I mean, it's technically not Independence Day today, but I'm hoping to post this video on the Independence Day, which is why I have my country flag on my chest, flaunting my pride for the nation. Hey, doggish bhai. Local hai bhai, local. We are localites, we are Indians, all of us. But I've also taken that detour as well. क्या बोलते हैं भाई लोग? लिया जाए क्या detour? No what? Let's go. आइए देखते हैं, चल मजा आएगा. आज detour दिवस. I do realize that I'll have to take a U-turn if this road is dirty ahead. There's very high chances of it being full of dirt. देखते हैं आज मेरी किस्मत आजमाई जाए. Thankfully they've built all of these roads. By the way, RA is completely pothole free. Rest in peace, my beloved Ramesh Charan. मैं इतना बकचोदी कर रहा हूँ भाई. It is 12. I need to hurry up. चलो, we're back. Oh man, that is very risky, huh? That is extremely risky. Never have your feet on your dashboard, guys. Please. I'll tell you why. When if God forbid you get into a crash, and that thing is a Tata Punch, so I'm assuming the safety features on it are good. If you crash and if the airbag inflates, bhai, you won't even realize when you snap off both your legs. Intense. I'm not even kidding. It is extremely dangerous. How come there's so less traffic today, huh? These reality shows, dude. F***ing hell. Can't respect a person that watches reality shows. I'm sorry, guys. It's a controversial opinion in this day and age. Earlier, it was a popular opinion to hate people that indulge in reality shows. But now, pretty much everyone watches them on a regular basis. Especially when these influencers have gotten on board. It's like the lowest form of entertainment. मतलब सबसे bottom of the barrel kind of entertainment. You may as well watch my videos. They're right one notch up. If I get an opportunity though to be on these shows, I may take it, I guess.
गजब टूपीबाज आदमी.
Because if I get to earn from it, why not? But I definitely wouldn't watch anything like this. Genuinely bottom of the barrel kind of entertainment. Like it's pure voyeurism and अरे हुस्ना ऐसे क्यों करती है तू? My bro is getting late for a meeting. He's like, I'll join you guys in a few minutes. Please stand by. Nothing, just a normal day. I ride like I usually ride with my clutch engaged. Nothing shady about this, guys, please.
Money follows, my brother. Money follows.
MLS 300H, na? Beauty. That's such an underrated car, dude. Such an underrated car. Damn, that's a beautiful X4. Looks damn nice. Holy shit. It's a beat up Audi A3. What the heck? Damn. What is it? It is something with the range, dude. I mean, the cars just look so beautiful. It's like jewelry. The raindrops are like jewelry on these cars.
Later that same evening.
Chalo bhai, I'm getting very late. Na baja hai. It's 3:30. God damn! I was planning to reach home by 2:30. 1 hour late. क्या ना मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसा busy हो गया था ना. बढ़िया. Oh, look at that. I almost forgot. Independence Day. Independence Day is coming, guys. Wish you all, I mean, by the time you watch this, it is Independence Day. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Is baar ka Independence Day feels a little better. I mean, it's a mixed feeling, a bittersweet kind of a feeling. Bitter because recently whatever has happened with the students in protests, both in Delhi and Jharkhand. I mean, it's very unfreedom-like, but क्या भाई चल रहा है कि नहीं अपना सिग्नल नहीं चल रहा है दोस्त. But at the same time, I'm also happy that finally people are waking up. Students are waking, if not our generation, the students, the next generation, the Gen Z are waking up and asking for accountability from people in power. It is starting to make a dent now. Earlier it was like the politicians felt invincible, but abhi they're starting to feel कि हाँ भाई, we got to be accountable for our actions. But ठीक है, देर आए दुरुस्त आए. But it's good, man. I mean, as long as the right issues are being raised, not the right issues are being raised, voice is being raised against the right issues. I mean, we are collectively talking about students, education, about fuel, which is why I feel like celebrating this Independence Day with a change in the mindset of our population, where accountability is being brought in trend. It's good, man. I mean, I support all of these students, raising their voices, both in Delhi and Jharkhand. How they are being treated like cattle is disgraceful, but, well, it is eventually gotta change. I'm a street photographer. Can I click a photo? Good, nah, actually. Can be a street photographer. Man, I can. If you're a photographer, why don't you reach out to traffic police? If you got a nice kit lens, or not a kit lens, but a nice zoom lens, why don't you reach out to the police and extend towards them your services? कि मैं आपको एकदम full HD वाला photo खींच के दूंगा number plates का, and you give me what 10% of the commission, 10% of your fine amount. That's it. मस्त रहेगा. All my biker friends will be like, ah, hell no. Oh shit, what the heck? Bro, calm the down, dude. I'm not even like trying to do anything. It's just doing it on its own. Love bombing me, quite literally. The winner takes it all. Hello? हाँ, एक थोड़ा वेळ देतो, एक 15-20 मिनिटात. Boys, I gotta buy some chicken on my way. Please remember me. I genuinely don't trust myself that by the time I reach, my short-term memory is horrible. My long-term memory is relatively good. But my short-term memory, दिन ब दिन घजनी बनते जा रहा हूँ मैं. क्या करूँ भाई? And these badam and everything, my mom keeps telling me to eat badam because she's genuinely concerned. I've been having badam every morning. Clearly not working out, guys. Ah, sorry. Fuck. Please remind me of buying chicken. How are you going to do that? It is your problem. Oh man, that felt nice. I mean, I'm not judging, but my bro either has a girl in his life or is very much in touch with his feminine side. I'm not being judgmental, guys. I just made an observation here. There is nothing wrong with him having those colors in his life, such colors and pastel in that. But good for him, man. Good for him. if he actually is into shit like that. I mean, who divided colors into genders, right? So I'm no one to say or comment. Oh damn, is that a Land Cruiser? God damn, that looked beautiful. Land Cruiser is like the bap of all Fortuners in the country. क्यों भाई क्यों? एक तो भाई साहब इतना रिलैक्स पोजीशन में है ना, लो कॉर्टिसोल मेल एकदम ही बिल्कुल कॉर्टिसोल नहीं है भाई साहब के जीवन में. Oh damn, what? It's a matte black Tesla Model Y. भाई Mumbai is getting wild with colors, with cars, हाँ भाई साहब. आज इतने खतरनाक कार स्पॉटिंग किया है मैंने. That matte black looked incredible, हाँ. I do wish to drive the Tesla? No, I do wish to drive the Tesla once to see how it feels. The surge of power and everything. I mean, sure, the Model Y is relatively less powerful, but then it is a Tesla at the end of the day. You know how it runs. I need to check out if Tesla India is interested to do a video. फिर बाद में तुम लोग आ जाओगे पनीर करने के लिए. भाई I genuinely don't mind पनीर comments, but भाई do it when it is actually sponsored. भाई ये BMW का, फिर अपना क्या बोलते हैं Skoda का, these weren't sponsored. चलो, it feels good if I'm getting sponsored, if I'm actually getting paneer, and then you guys comment and celebrate paneer. तुम बिना बात का सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो पनीर, आज घर पे पनीर, ये अपना अनुराग जीत गया. अरे भाई कहाँ जीता है? अभी तक नहीं जीता है. पनीर आ ही नहीं रहा. मैं डेली का दाल चावल खा रहा हूँ बैठ के. हाँ, that reminds me, I need to get chicken on my way home. I almost forgot, by the way. But anyway, भाई नहीं है भाई अपने पास पनीर. तब करो जब actually sponsored हो. Now the Insta 360 video that I'm gonna make is gonna be sponsored. तब करो भाई पनीर, मजे आ जाएंगे. तभी I'm actually gonna celebrate पनीर.
A few moments later.
ये आधा किलो देना. चिकन सक्सेसफुली ले लिया है हमने. मैं कुछ तो याद कर रहा था, एंड उस याद करने के चक्कर में मैं याद कर लिया कि चिकन भी लेना है. गुड फॉर मी. हाँ, I was talking about you guys saying paneer. And technically, you guys reminded me of the chicken. Please remind me of buying chicken. How are you going to do that? It is your problem. भाई कमाल है यार तुम लोग का भाई साहब. You guys are such talented audience that you reminded me of the chicken. Crazy भाई, crazy.
Bonus.
अच्छा, कबूतर लोग नहीं है आज, थोड़े से है. आई डोंट थिंक दे विल गेट स्कैर्ड. लेट्स सी. नहीं यार, कुछ भाव ही नहीं दिया मेरे को.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.